Hello my friends, how are you? So I've been struggling away with this kit here, so the Dragon M3A1 half track. So I am trying to make the A1 version, but I've made a lot of progress. So I've got all the parts completed, so you know the construction is completed on all the parts. I've also got the 50 caliber done, and I added on that myself. Doesn't look great, but I tried. And this is the winch system. That'll go in under there, which would be pretty cool. And I've got some chain I can use to put around that. And there's also in the pack here some hooks you can put on the end of the chain. So I'll wrap some of that around the winch, but I'm going to paint it first, so I won't have it that colour. We'll paint it in some chipping formula or something like that. But there's some lot of nice detail on this rear one here. Those mines took a long time to do, but they've come up looking really cool. But also they include just a plastic moulded one, but it doesn't look as nearly as good. You've got some nice little mud flaps there that are photo etched, and I replaced the handles on the doors with just some 0.5mm wire. The 30 caliber guns are just there, so I just got to paint them up, but I've put the mounts on. The interior looks pretty cool. The seating's nice. You've got a radio in there. The seating is nice, and I have put this on, so I'll put this on, fits together nicely. The only problem I'm having fitting is these two parts onto this, so this will need to be reshaped so it can fit through there, and I'll need to get this straightened up. So there was a lot of warpage in this part, which is not, you know, the kit's fault. I think I've just got a really old kit. You can see the warpage on the front there. So I'm gonna have to try and get that glued in place so it's nice and straight and we can fit that front plate on. Hey Elsie, what's wrong? Oh, hello everyone. Elsie says hello. But otherwise it's pretty cool. Okay, this went together really well. But to be quite honest, it's not the favourite kit I've built. It hasn't really, I haven't enjoyed myself like I usually do. So it's just been a struggle the whole time, and I'm getting there, and we're getting it all sorted out and stuff like that, and it does look pretty cool. You know, when you get it starting to get it painted up right and all that kind of stuff, it does look pretty cool. But the amount of problems I've had, and the amount of yeah, it's sometimes you just feel defeated with it, but I don't get defeated, so I carry on. But I think I'm going to have a little bit of a break from it now. I'm just over it. So yeah, that's my build review of this. It goes together, it's you get it done, but it's not the funnest build. It's not that fun. And yeah, I'd like to go on to another kit, I think, or something else for a little while. I always do many things. I've got this going on. Build a little farm scene, and we've got these ones getting weathered up. But I always have one build going on, so I always have one build going on, you know, and I just build it. But yeah, I think I might end this. No, I won't end it, I'll finish it. Alright my friends, speak to you again soon. I know I sound a bit depressed, but this kit has depressed me a bit. And I'll speak to you again soon.